Yo, my dudes, what's going on? It's Mr. Crayfish. Hopefully my microphone's working. I've been known for not having a working microphone when I start my live streams. It's a pretty common thing. It's like a 50% chance that it happens. I'm so bad at it. I'm so bad at it. Today, we're back with some more mystery mod development. And can you guys guess what we're doing today? Can you guys guess what we're doing today? Let me know in the chat what you think we're going to be doing. I'll give you a hint. We're going to be working on a new application for the device mod. It's going to be like one of those kind of like 2-hour type project type things, because I came up with an idea. I'm like, yo, that'd be sick if we could actually do that. So let me know in the chat if you have any ideas. But welcome everybody. I see you in the chat. We got Copycat, Shuck Insanity, Think Labs, Master Chief, Jacoby, Green Bean Games, Funny McG, Alpha Think. What's up, dudes? How's everybody going? Alright. So I'm just not. I don't want you guys to see the actual the repository. I don't want you guys to see the what the idea is. So I'm just taking it away from the screen right now. But let me know what you think is gonna be working on today. But it's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna do a video on this. And where do we do this here? Okay, there we go. Anyone guessed it yet? I found another, but obviously it doesn't work with Carry On mod. Oh yeah, I'll have to look into that. What is CubG? CubG is Crayfish Unknown's Battlegrounds, basically like Fortnite and PUBG inside of Minecraft. GitWeb? No, it's something we haven't used at all before. Guys, can everybody guess what it is? Anybody guess what the application is going to be we're working on today? I already gave you a hint. It's a device mod. It's going to be like a device mod add-on. I can't think. I don't have a brain. I don't have a brain. Alright, let's go this. Let's go open. Ready to give it away. Hold up. Ready to give it away. Hold up, we need to go ahead and get Forge going here, otherwise it won't even work. Nobody guessed it yet. A working Internet Explorer? No, you already know about that. Media player add-on? No, but that was a good guess. That was a good guess. I'm not saying it was close though. I'm just saying it's a good guess. Galactic Craft? Nope. Hey Cray, is one of your brothers missing because we had to dissect a crayfish today? What the? Was that Jerry? Did you take Jerry? He was gone last night. I thought he just went out. I thought he just went out to get some food. Did you take Jerry? Rest in peace, Jerry the crayfish. Alright. Rip Jerry. Light switch? No. Light switch is already released, dude. Light switch is already released. Well, too late now. Everybody knows what it is. Someone's gonna be like, it's lasers. No, you cheated. You cheated because you looked at the screen. Are we streaming in 60 FPS, guys? It should be like super duper smooth. I don't think my camera webcam is 60 FPS, but... Well, maybe it is. Hold up. Let's have a look. Properties. Properties. Webcam. It might be 60 FPS. Oh no, hold up. I know, doesn't match output. I don't know. It should be like 60 FPS. I don't know. Let me know. Does it look super duper smooth? Like, oh, this looks super duper smooth to you guys? Because I think they're streaming at 60 FPS, which is pretty crazy. CPU 23%. Holy shoot. Yes, it is very smooth. Well, that's good. That's good. That's good. Having good internet allows me to do stuff like this. Alrighty. So we need to go ahead. We need to build. Not build, whoops. Cancel that task. Lol. No! I didn't mean to build. Stop. Set up decomp workspace. I think that's all good. Yeah, it's really smooth. And a TNT mug. What? Vehicle mod live soon? We'll have to do a vehicle mod thing soon. How does lasers deal with a computer? You guys are like, how does this work? How does this work? My Minecraft won't work with more than 5 mods for some reason. That's weird. Hey Cray just joined. Sir Pickles farted on the toilet. Oh my god. What the heck? Oopsie, stop. The heck? Is Zoidberg your uncle because he's a lobster and you're a crayfish? You could say so. Zoidberg. Whoop, 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 whoop. See you, crayfish eyes in school. That's alright, Coffee. Thanks for coming along, though. Hey, Cray just joined the stream. What up? Tennille, I think that's how I say it. Tennille. Cheese. 60 FPS. Also, for a sponsor, make use of those brand new emojis. And if you guys want to become a sponsor as well, link in the description below. We added it. My favorite emoji now. This is my favorite one, guys. Hehehehe. The Teletubby one. That was a classic moment. Classic. You can get the Teletubby emoji for the stream. You can get that by becoming a sponsor. Plus, you also get access to the sponsor server. You get a special rank on Discord too. And you get, like, you know, when we're testing out PUBG, you kind of get, in a way, like, you get first, you kind of get access to it for testing. This is my first live stream with the crayfish. What up, Green Bean Games? Thanks for coming along, dude. Do you possibly control the lasers like you control the light switch add-on? Yeah, it will be like that. But I want to change around the interface and the application because I feel like I keep doing the same thing. Like, it's just a list of lasers type thing. So we're going to have to change that around. Alright, so here what we need to do is... I'm going to copy some code. Because I want to add, yeah, this here. Right, there we go. Add that in, and let's import that. What's up with my hair? My hair's getting all funky now. My hair's like, look at that. What's up with my hair? Second time you pronounced my name, it was right. Tennille? Tennille. Young Greg, oh my god. How's this laser going to be controlling lasers with the laptop? Yes. So it's not going to be like, you know, killing people. It's going to be like, you know, protection. So you're going to be able to have a laser that you can like control. Maybe like, I don't know how I want to do it yet. I don't really know how I want to do it yet. I want it to be like a link between two blocks. Like lasers for alarm systems or something. Yeah, kind of like that. Like if somebody was to walk into it, maybe they'd die instantly. We could make it like that, because like lasers are very dangerous. Well, these ones could be. Nice lighting, and I'm gonna get back to working on the IDE add-on with Ite. That'd be sick if you get that going, Alex Couch. Get that going. Get Ite back in here. I miss Ite. I miss him. Hey Cray, are you missing a brother? Oh no. I already answered that Viper Sniper. What version in Jumping Castle mod? It's for 1.12.2. Make some explode. Oh my god. Probably don't want to set up lasers that explode in your house. Ite. It is Ite. Future suggestion: add lenses to change what the lasers can do. That's not a bad idea, actually. Not a bad idea if you ask me. Alrighty. So, let's go ahead. Let's get this started off here. I always hate, I don't know, there's something about like starting, creating the first, creating everything. Like com.mrcrayfish.lasers. And then, we have to go new, Java class, lasers. We need a reference class. Alright, let's go ahead and I just don't like writing out everything. Like, I just need to create like a template. I need to literally create a template thing that I can use every time I start up creating a mod, because I create so many mods, it's ridiculous. That I actually need like a legit template class, otherwise I spend like hours programming stuff that I've already done. Alright, let's copy that. And let's call this like lasers add-on. I don't know what to call this. Maybe mod version. Alright. It could probably literally be 1.0.0 by the end of this live stream. If my English is weird, it's because I'm from Southern and Korean. That's alright, dude. Let's have a look. This song is Shotgun Raid's Out To song. Ah, okay. Yeah, pretty pop. I use like NCS music, so I'm sure a lot of YouTubers use it out there, so you've probably heard a lot of these songs. Different colored lasers for map makers. Not instance there, maybe 3 hearts of damage and an alarm. Hey, make hackers. What? What does that mean? Since my comment is going to be drowned out, I'm going to say it again, tagging you. Different colored lasers for map makers. Hey! Alex! I literally just read it. Literally just read it. I want someone to find some exploits in Minecraft, but I need Minecraft source code or how to compile Minecraft source code. Lol. You want to find exploits, but you don't even know how to get this code. You want to find exploits? Just look up bugs.minecraft. The stream is delayed? Yeah, of course it is. I know my calculations were incorrect. Alright, so we've done that. Let's get the mod class going here. Speed up the process. There we go. Gonna need something like this. Tab lasers. And when we get around to this, we will fix that up later. Come on. Oh, let's have a look. What can we do? Baked potato. Baked potato for the creative tab icon. Tell me a joke? I don't know. Why did the chicken cross the road? Why did the chicken cross the road? Alright, let's get rid of that. Hold up, gotta do a couple of things. Be back in a bit. That's alright, dude. I know how I can decompile Minecraft, but variables are missing. Lol. Well, it doesn't seem like you're familiar with how Minecraft... I don't know. You're not going to be able to find exploits. Alright, let's go new package, initialize, because we're going to need to create gonna be a blocks, mod blocks. Alright, and it's gonna be like block laser. Oh, we also need to have like, we're gonna have 2 blocks, right? We're gonna have like a block. I wanna have like a block. What would this be called? Like, I want to have a laser, right? But then it's gonna like be absorbed. It's gonna be absorbed on the other side. I'm talking about variable names because Java C Java can't not store variable names in bytecode. Well, it depends on your intentions. If you're downloading Minecraft source code to make an exploit in Minecraft, I'm not going to be helping you out. If you're downloading the Minecraft source code to find exploits, then to get Minecraft submitted as like reports or something, then yeah, laser consumer. That's a pretty easy way to do it. I'm working on a tablet for IT add-ons for the device one. How cool is that? That sounds good, dude. Can't wait to see it. Why did you move house? Because I did. I didn't have any space. What are some tips for YouTubing? Grind. Grind. Create cool content. I don't know. Do something you're passionate about. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not the best at even tips. I guess like my #1 tip would be like be interesting. I don't know. I don't know how to put it in any other way. Be interesting. I want to sell them to Mojang and have some fun. You want to sell exploits to Mojang? Alright. I don't think they're gonna buy it. They ain't gonna buy your exploits. I mean, if you can't figure out how to get the variables, then they're not gonna buy your work. I was gonna call it like shield. I don't know, what do you guys think? Shield for it? It's kind of like a shield. I guess you could say it's a shield. Block, laser, new. That was supposed to be LT add-on like 4G. Oh, that'd be cool. That'd be crazy. Wonder how that would work. You have to create like some sort of, I don't know how you would do it, to be honest. Your brand store your cheese and crackers. Are you sure about that? I checked them 2 minutes ago. I checked them 2 minutes ago. Extends block. Material dot rock, whatever. There we go. Block, laser. If Herobrine took over your mansion, what would you do? I'd let him have it. No way I'm going in there. No way I'd be taking it back. He's too strong. Are you going to make it so lasers bounce off stuff? No. First, I don't like Java, I like C++ and C, and know how I can find exploit because I doing that, but not iJava. What? The thing is, if you have access to the Minecraft source code, you can exploit it in any way that you want because you can change around the code. I mean, you're not doing anything with having the Minecraft source code. If you're exploiting something, you've got to be like, I mean, I don't like to talk, like, you know, I'm not, you know, I don't want to talk about it because it's technically illegal. But, like, if you're, like, if you're going to be exploiting something, you'd be exploiting something valuable. You'd be like, oh, I'm going to go after, I'm going to exploit Hypixel or something like that. Like, if you've got the Minecraft source code and you're able to edit it, you're exploiting it already. No matter what you do, you can change around a block name, you're exploited it. The general term of exploit. What's wrong here? I was putting the imports. Yeah. Knew it. How to make something server-side? How do I play MC servers for free legit? Buy Minecraft. Pretty easy. Pretty easy hack is to buy Minecraft. Life hack right there. How do I make something server-side? What do you mean? Like in code? Look into proxies or use world is not remote. You can't? Well then don't. You can't play legit then. I love cheese and crackers. I actually don't have any cheese. I mean I have cheese, but I don't have like easy cheese that I can have like straight away. It's annoying. I need to get some. This one. Alright, we're most likely going to need, yeah, we're definitely going to need a tile entity. Oh my god, why did I create a class? I was supposed to create a package. I was supposed to create a package tile entity. Okay, new tile entity laser. So we don't actually need to have a tile entity for the shield, just because it's not needed. We could also take advantage of this sink, which we're most likely going to need because we need to know the position of the we're going to need to know the position of the alright, this is going to be tile entity network device, my bad. Right, sync tag, alright. Set. Let's say if tag.set long shield pause equals here we go. Return tag. Alright, and say if has key, oops. No, I want to find an exploit that can run program from Minecraft and report that, and after that release source code for exploit on web because it is going to be open source. Won't work in Java. I mean, you won't be able to find anything that will work. Like, the thing is, right, you want to find one of these very difficult exploits, yet you're asking me on how to find out the variable names. Like, if I'm just being straight up honest here, it doesn't sound like you know what you're doing. It doesn't sound like you know what you're doing at all. If you literally can't even get the variable names, it sounds like you don't know what you're doing, so. You would not be here if you were finding the exploit. Are you going to work on the RC mod anytime soon? At least make it available. Lots of people have been waiting for it. Maybe. We'll see. It's just not in a usable state. That's the thing. It's like a half broken mod. What are you making? What mod are you making? We're making like a laser mod today. Making a laser mod. Compound. Oopsie. This stop pose equals compound. Whoopsie, no. Block pose from long. Shield pose. I'm gonna do like if this stop pose. Whoopsie. There we go, so we've saved it to the NBT update. We need to fix that up. I don't know why that's requiring it all the time. Why aren't all of your mods on your website? Because they're not. Because they're not. Who's going to win, Logan Paul or KSI? Oh dang. I don't know. Probably KSI. Probably KSI. I don't know. Logan. Oh no, didn't Logan Paul do like boxing? So I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Maybe Logan Paul. I don't know. I don't even know why I'm answering that question. I say I hate Java and find some simple exploits in simple application Windows Explorer. I found some simple exploits in simple application and Windows Explorer. Don't know how you had source code to Windows Explorer. So your exploit was what? And how was it executed? How was it executed? I want to send pics of what I did with your town. Send it over on Twitter, dude. Send it over on Twitter. Got to go. Love you, vids, Cray. That's alright, dude. Thanks for coming along to Neil. Me, Logan Paul. If you say KSA, you know I am chill. Maybe may the best one win. The grammar. Am I stinky? Hey, Think Labs minion. I'm not a stinky Cray. I had a stinky Cray. You free after the stream? Potentially, Master Chief. Potentially. We'll see. We'll see, though. You know how to make plugins too? What do you mean? For like Sponge or Bucket? Yeah, I've done basic Bucket plugins, and I've done basic... Done pretty basic... I don't know. Basic Sponge plugins as well. Yeah... I mean, yeah, I've made like, I think the only real plugin I made with Bucket / Spigot is like, I made like a Homes plugin with like a GUI and everything. That's about it. That's about it. Alright, what's wrong here? Ah, we still have stuff that's wrong. This needs to be like blocked. The block network. I just block device. Okay, cool. Create tile entity. Return new tile entity laser. Alright, there we go. Register application. Oh yeah, we need to get an app going. Oh my god, so many things. Oops. Extends application. No, wrong one. Java FX application. Rest in peace. My exploit allows to hide file in Windows 7 by putting it on the end of extension. The file will be hidden in that window, and if you refresh the file by putting on end of extension, and file will be hidden in that window, and if you refresh, file will come back. Interesting. I dare you to dress up like a minion. Oh my god, no. You can try that exploit. Cool. Not really interested. Do you know the way? That's dead. Oh, Alex, that's dead. Get out of here. Dead meme. We don't talk about dead memes in here anymore. That's a dead meme. Alpha thinks Stinky Cray. Hey, hey now. I'll tell you again. I ain't Stinky. I ain't Stinky. Alright, we need to create a new assets thing here. So directory assets. What's our mod ID? I forgot what our mod ID is. I think it's lasers add-on. And then I think it's like apps, new file, I think we're gonna have to call it lasers Jason. Anybody found Jason? Anyone know where Jason is? He's been hiding. Lasers. What are these smell lines on you? What? What do you mean? Small lines? I do not know what you're saying. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's create some models. If you, as an Aussie, walk into a shoe store in America and ask for a thong, the results are unpredictable. Yeah, we know that. We've clarified already that those that word means something completely different in America. Like cartoons when someone's smelly. Oh. I know what you mean. I didn't know what you were meaning there. Jason's in your fridge, then walked out to the grocery store. He'll be back soon. Ah, silly Jason. For a minute there, I was confused. I was like, who's Jason? And I got confused if it was like Friday the 13th or something like that. And it was like that type of Jason. And then I'm like, oh no, it's the JSON file format. The thing I don't like much is need to make textures and JSON files for everything, but modding keeps awesome. What? Make sure you include 1 pixel diameter lasers. That's probably a good idea. I don't think I'm gonna do. I'm not doing like a 3D. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna be calculating the actual position to it. It's gonna be client. We're gonna need a proxy. Rest in pepperoni, we need a proxy. Alright, proxy. Come at me. Come at me, proxy. Lasers. Alright, let's get this going. Proxy here. Proxy pre-initialize. Kill. The purpose of this mode is to improve security. Hashtag save cheesing trackers. Pretty much. Pretty much. Something intense happening in my schooling. I passed most of my classes with decimal percentages under the considered passing grade. Passing is 71% or higher. I got 70.33 and 70.6. They like round it up. Props. Well done though. For just passing. On your development channel, why is your face cam on the left hand side of your screen? On your main channel, it's on the top right corner. Because it is. And I mean, it suits this layout because what I can do is I can put... Ready? I can like put this like this, right? And this webcam is covering up nothing now. It's covering up nothing. We can still view this completely. There's like something in the back of my throat. Hold on. Oh my god. Hold up. What the heck?
Crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly.
Rip crayfish. Yeah, there's like something in the back of my throat. I think it was like I don't know, like from time to time you get like a there's like a booger at the back of your throat and you like gotta cough it up. And you're like there's something. You know when you get like phlegmy? You know what phlegmy means? You get like phlegmy throat, and you have like mucus coming down the back of your throat. Blech. Ah. I guess this show has to continue, right? I'm going to take over. Currently, I'm watching paint dry. You shall join me. It'll be fun. He. Dilly Dubby Moji. Moji. That's how my niece says it. Moji. She doesn't say emoji, she says moji. When you had a spider in your throat because Aussie. Probably was a spider, to be honest. Alright. I want to get like rendering of it done. Alright, we're gonna actually let's go back to here, device mod applications. Laser. There was a study done a while ago that said that we swallow up to like 6 spiders in our sleep in our lifetime. I was starting to think that the study was done in Australia. I don't know if I believe that, to be honest. Because how do you actually figure out if someone swallowed a spider or not? You have to monitor their whole life. I think it's fake. You okay, bro? I'm good. I'm good. What up, Julia? How you doing? I see ya. I see everybody in the chat. What would you guys ask? Because like for the 100th device mod live stream, right? We're gonna be having a mod developer on there as kind of like a special guest. Not for the entire live stream, but we're going to be having him on there. What type of questions would you guys ask him? What type of questions would you ask a mod developer? Not like, can you make this for me? Make this for me. Hey, I love you. You love my videos. You love my videos. Mexico's like home security manager. Call it a better name than lasers. How hard is it? I gotta go. See you later, I think Club Minions. Thanks for coming along, dude. Crayfish, put that code snippet in the wrong file. What do you mean? What code snippet? I didn't put in anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. Y'all tripping. Y'all tripping. You know I'm meaning it when I start putting an accent onto it. Y'all tripping. I'm working on a mod and it will add a lot of things Minecraft should have. Any ideas? Oh. I don't know. Guns. I'll ask a mod developer how long does it take to make and update a mod. It's like, I can answer that right now, but I'm not going to. Alright, so we've done that. Let's go ahead. Let's do a new package. Renderer. Extends tile entity special renderer. Render. Alright, so I want to get on to actually doing some rendering. Proxy. Laser renderer. Alright, there we go. I want to get on to do some rendering. Because I gotta kind of figure out how I can do this rendering, because I want to make the lasers look cool. And I think I know how I can do it. We do need to create some models. I don't think I'm going to go crazy with the models. We're going to do this here. So, what is this? Horizontal. Alright, so we're going to override everything pretty much. Enum facing. Oops, yeah, that's right. Get rid of that. We need to override everything. We already know what it is. Hold up. Get meta from state. Get state from meta. Create block state. Set default state. This dot block state. With property facing. Oopsie. Enum. Alright, there we go. Get meta from state. We'll just say state dot get value facing. Get index. Return this dot get default state with property facing from get front. There we go. We need to get a placement method. I think it's like block piston. This here. I think we actually have to override. I think it's like one of them is going to be like, I think it's get state for placement we need to override. Let's double check. It's somewhere in here. Yeah, this one. Otherwise, we're going to have issues. Whoopsie. We need to do this get default state. There we go. So that should fix that issue up. We need to go ahead and create some models. So we're gonna go into our model creator right now. Model creator. Did you guys watch the how to create custom block models? Who watched that video and who actually made some? Or who attempted? Who attempted? Let me know right now. I was watching a video a couple of days ago and a guy was talking about future MC updates and he asked if he thinks there should be a sky update, and I thought, let's mod it. What do you think about that? A mod that adds a bunch of stuff to the sky? That'd be pretty cool, Alex. That would be pretty cool. Where did I do this? I made something like this ages ago, where we place down something that rotates in any direction. What was that? Does anybody remember what that mod was? Let's have a look. Vehicle mod. I created something ages ago that like rotates in any direction. It wasn't mod week, was it? What did I create? I don't know what I created. I created something that rotated. Oh no, would it be in the light switch? Yes. Because I want to save on writing block states. Because if we just get this block state here, right? Let's do new directory assets. Lasers, add-on, block states. If we do that right, whoops. Then we can do this right. And how did I design the controller? Whoa, that's definitely not it. That looks like a face. That looks like a face. I designed it on the ground. Huh, what's the heck is that? Why'd that do that? Huh. How did that happen? That's the weirdest glitch I've ever seen on my model creator so far. Looks like it's trying to smooth it out. Maybe one of the settings got... I don't know. I've never seen that before. I'll tell you right now, I've never seen that before happen in my model creator. That's strange. It's literally just for that texture. I think I might know why. But I'm not going to go into it. Kravis, did you release your soccer mod? I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did. That looked like a robot head. I know, pretty much did. That's what I was trying to create, like a remote controller for the RC car mod. That's what happened. Alright, so now we know what it's going to do. Now we know. So I'm not doing anything like crazy, but I want to do like this, right? Like, I don't want to put too much effort into the models right now. So let's apply, paste. Then here would be like redstone block or something. Probably make it look cooler. Like that, right? Which is the west? That's the west side, isn't it? There we go, this is pretty cool. So I'm not doing anything crazy right now. I just kind of want to, you know, just create some models that we can use that are alright. Also lasers, laser. Just make sure we're not overriding anything. And let's export it. We need to do models, block, laser. Alright, that's that. Just delete it, and then we need to create like a shield thing. texture for that. Maybe have like the same texture as this. And then we'll have something on top. I'll make this like 0.5. What do you use to record? What do you mean for like my main videos? I use Fraps, and then for live streaming I use OBS, and for any sort of screen recording on my desktop I use OBS as well, because you can stream and record with it. The red button explodes your computer. Oh my god. I should make that a do not press the red button mod. Should we make that, guys? A do not press the red button mod. Yeah. Do not press the red button. That'd be cool. Images, import. Beacon. Apply, copy, paste. Pretty cool. Shield. It should be like shield pad or something. Oh well. Done. That's all we basically need. Rename this to laser. And then we need like a shield one too. This will be shield, pretty much the same. Everything that is made by Cray is cool. I'll put comment on this live when it's done, because it's a little bit complicated to explain this exploit now. Okay. Alright, we also need to add this thing into shield 2. Oh yeah, we need to also do this dot set unlocalized name. Can anybody tell me what the rock is cooking? RKO! Out of nowhere. Oh my god, he's broken in half. He is broken in half. Oh my god, I love that. I love that. He is broken in half. That's not funny. That's not funny. Start. Is this mod with lasers? Yeah. Who doesn't like lasers? Who doesn't like lasers? Lasers on my life. Oops, we forgot to update that block state. New block state container facing. Oopsie, this. Alright, there we go. I want that in my port house. Working on the school on working at school. Oh, working on the school on in Cub G. Ah, okay. I'll have to come have a look at it. Who's dropping school with me? Can you play more Hypixel, please? Maybe. We'll see. Alright, there we go. Let's just organize everything. Making sure we're all good here. Alright, pretty good so far. So I'm gonna run that up. What we're gonna do is go to Photoshop. Oh my god. Alright, let's go ahead and... Oh. Some people have said that's the last image you see before you die. I believe them. It's the last image you see before you die, guys. Some people have died, then come back to life, and that's what they saw. That's what they saw, guys. Majestic. Hehehehe. So like new. Because what I'm gonna attempt is like because what I'm thinking how I want to do this is like, right, we do something like this. Let's make sure we do something that's even. Maybe it's more than that. So laser. Let's have a look what lasers look like. Okay, so the legit, like... So if I was to do a red laser... We could do that. That's not red. That's red. Because I was thinking of doing something more like a lightsaber, where we have like that there, right? And then what we can do is do that. Gradient tool. Here we'll do like red. That might be too thick. So that would be 1 pixel, maybe 2 pixels. That's what it should be. Let's move that center. Let's just go ahead and move this down. Let's also copy that. See? I want to copy that section. Hopefully it's... I don't think that's even. I think that's right. That's not 3, is it? No. Ew, something went wrong. Something went completely wrong there. Oh, there we go. So like, that's what I want the laser to look like. We need to fix this up. I think we did this wrong. We need to keep like the angle right. There we go. Whoa. My bad. There we go. I think that's right. See how it's got this weird couple of dots here? Maybe what we could do is, just to balance this out, we'll do that. This, right? And hopefully... No, it doesn't do it right. I know what we can do is this, stretch, apply, and then if we select pixels now, it should be, yeah, it's good. Do that. Let's just make sure that's right. Select pixels. Yep. That's good. He have more graphic skills than me. Integrating colors, I can only do that with regular graphic drawing pencils. Don't judge me, but I see orange. Y'all colorblind. Y'all colorblind. The original Teletubby. They kicked me out of the show because I was too good. That's why I wasn't.
Now before we start,
oh my god, what the heck's going on? What the heck's going on? Where the heck's going on? Where's that coming from?
Patreon, you get access to
where the heck is this coming from?
And you also help me out to continue creating
what the heck?
Minecraft mods, videos, and
what the heckity heck? Where did that come from? Holy shoot. Alright, so that's that. Baked potato. Oh, we forgot to, what did we forget to do? What did we forget to do? That's getting called somewhere, 100%. Is that getting called somewhere? Yes. Okay, it's not even getting registered. Hold up. Apparently it's not like a... No! Oh my god. No, why'd that do that? Oh my god. Why didn't half of it load? None of it loaded. Mod blocks. None of it loaded. Anything I could think that's wrong? Nah, that's alright. Oh, there we go. Alright, fixed the issue. What is the mystery mod? We're creating lasers. Lasers that are controlled with the laptop. I don't think we're going to get it complete in this live stream, but... I don't like choosing crackers. Have you guys seen that meme where it's like... where it's like, girl asks you something like... where a girl asks you, I don't like cheese and crack. She's like, do you like cheese and crackers? And then you say, I don't like cheese and crackers. And then it's like, girl commits suicide. And then... guy, you go up to her grave. I love cheese and crackers. 50 likes. Can this post get 50 likes? Saddest story ever. Saddest story ever. I'm actually colorblind? Ah, okay, that makes sense. Makes sense-y do. Oh, what the heck? Ah. Laser! Thanks for letting me know. Ah, amazing. Beautiful. Ah, we need to fix that up. But, I mean, it's good so far. There's gonna be a laser between those two. Somehow. We're gonna figure it out. Somehow. But there's gonna be a laser between them. Because... Bzz. Alright, let's see what we can do here. I want to like test out. Alright, so this is why we developed this texture, because we're going to use it. Of course we are. Music disappeared too.
There's a distance between us.
Textures.
Getting hard to reach out.
Blocks. Laser.
Seen you in
Oops, nope.
but all I hear is your voice.
I know my limit.
You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again.
Laser.
Been counting days to get away.
That lasers add-on.
See you again. Been finding ways to get away. To see you again.
Alright, there we go. I think it's like snowball. Render snowball. Yeah, it does all this rotation stuff. Alright, copy this. Copy paste. Copy paste, my dudes. Alright, get rid of that. Where's render manager? Where'd that come from? Oh. Render manager. Oh, it's sort of Minecraft, whatever. Render manager equals Minecraft. Okay, Minecraft. Get render manager. I'm not sure if that will actually work. I don't even know how we want to do this. I think it's one of these we want to get rid of, but we'll test it out. So let's do something like... trying to think out what we can do here. Let's see if we can just do this, right? I think it's geo lines. And then we'll do like GL vertex 3F. Say X, Y, Z. Ah. Then we'll say like, whoops, plus 10, say GL and GL line width, let's say 5F. Alright, to reload the game. Let's have a look. Cray, you watch Gravity Falls? What is it? I don't know. Do you sleep with socks? That's a weird question. Why is it like, if you sleep with socks, you'll die 5 days earlier? He did not answer me. I just did. What mod is this? It's a laser mod. Lasers. So it's basically going to be like an add-on for the device mod, which adds in like home security, because I think lasers are sick, and like being able to use them to protect your house would be really cool. And you can control them with the laptop. Whoa. What is going on here? I think we have to go get rid of that. Geosat disable. Texture 2D. Okay. I mean. Whoa. That's weird. Lasers for you, everybody. But I'm gonna go pause. Pause. Then here, let's see, geosounder enable, texture 2D. We need to go into device mod source code because we have something like this to handle those type of thing, or rendering like a line, kind of. What was the positioning code? Get align start position. Oh, okay, so when you do like a... Oh, okay, I see. Pretty sure we just did 0. What the heck? Which one is this? Hold up, what we're gonna do is switch over to this mode. Time set this. Oh my god. What did they even do? What is it even doing? Why is the position of this thing so weird? It's probably because of this. Let's get rid of half of this stuff. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Holy shoot. Took long enough. Alright, let's go. What does this one do? That makes it go weird. This renders it. I don't know how to describe that. Don't know how to describe that. Red. I want to draw like the actual thing though. The texture we created. So maybe hold up. Alright, so Geo text core 2D. I don't know, like one. I don't know what I'm doing. I think it's just that. Alright, now we need to give it a texture. So let's go. Whoa. Low. That's very strange. Let's fix that up right now. So we need to do Make sure we disable this. Oh, we need to get rid of the red. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Huh. Maybe the chords come after it. Should use like tessellator or something instead here. Yeah, I didn't really do anything. Whoopsie. We don't want to disable texture 2D. Ah! Lasers. Lasers, my dudes. That's a laser. Why is this so weird now? OBS, why you do this? You should be just capturing whatever's there. Would tessellator be faster? Potentially. Maybe not. What even happened? I think we need to rotate the coordinates. Give them a rotation. Whoa! Holy shoot! Dude, legit. Legit laser right now. Holy. Dude, do not even go near that thing. Holy shoot. The thing is, we need to rotate it like around. Alright, let's see if we can fix this up here. Oh, I see. Let's get rid of that. Dude, that's legit. There's a weird, awkward, like... Stop saying dude. Why? The age of a shade. I don't know what's going on. Dude. By the way, that's legit. My trigger level is over 9,000. What? Alright, let's see if we can rotate this thing. Because I'm pretty sure you have to use like one of these. Why is this thing all glitched? Hold up. Minecraft, just OBS, please capture the whole window. Alright, there we go, good enough. Alright, nope. That's kind of correct, I think. I think that's correct. Maybe we need to rotate it as well. Let's have a look at this. I definitely see it all the time. Zoom. Legit laser. I think do it on the same axis. It does some funky stuff. Is that right now? Oh. I don't know. So, what would the rotation be? So here it should be like flat. It shouldn't rotate at all. So maybe the Y doesn't come into play at all. Seems like that would be the other way around. And that seems correct so far. The weird glitch that happens right there. Like, I don't know what that's all about. Like, why does the texture go strange? And then that needs to probably like when we should look at it from this angle, it should be like flat. Two. I don't understand that glitch. It's weird. Currently, Gravity Falls, Game Boy pixel art. What? Hey, what up, Cyberman? How you doing? Just saw you in the chat. Let's see what happens. What needs to happen here? Is your mic muted or something? No. There's music playing. I want to have epic lasers. Alright, let's just go. So that's pretty much right there. That's pretty much right. What the heck?
Sound waves reaching the microphone are changed into impulses of electric current.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
What is player VX? I might switch around to test later because I'm not sure what's going on with this. It's like glitching out. Like, see how it's cut off? It's weird. Is this mod gonna be a bit like actually add-ons if you've heard of it? I've heard of the mod, I don't know there was lasers in it though. You should make a lightsaber mod. That'd be insane. The laser looks like a red lightsaber, that's what it's supposed to look like. Like on the end here looks fine, but when you get to the start, like works fine there, and then you turn it. Let's try switching to Tesla later. And then we have, I think it's vertex buffer. Whoopsie. Buffer builder. Put add Ah, here we go, pause. Begin. Quads, and then we need a vertex format. Default. Position text. I think it's buffer.end. Oopsie, no. Do that on the end, and I think it's like tessellator.draw. I think that's how it works. Whoa. What happened there? Oh. There we go, it's no longer doing weird glitchy stuff, which is good. Let's get rid of this. That was working before, what the heck? We need to change around there's like a I think it's Untitled entity. Let's figure this out. I think it's like Alright, let's start the game here. I got everything working and then I had an item to add and just got this one little error that kept crashing in Minecraft. Dude, same. Sometimes that happens to me. I think that's the worst thing that happens in programming, is that you spend like hours just trying to figure out what's wrong and it's just like one line of code. That's like the worst. It ruins your day. You spend the whole entire week, not week, maybe the whole entire day looking for the problem. And it's just one line of code. Hey Cray, do you remember you? What up, Brammy? I think I remember you. The name sounds familiar. Let's see if we can make this. I think it's geo statement. Translate. -0.25. Yeah, that's how you do it. Cool. So what is this value? Because we need to fix up the rotation still. Five. Like, it only works if you're looking straight onto it. Thought I made this render completely. YouTube, Twitch, the Cursor, Technique Launcher, Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ, you name it. 60 FPS looks weird, almost like a ball of liquid butter I have in my microwave. Yeah, I forgot I was streaming at 60 FPS today. So it's like super duper smooth live streams, but they're good. Get to see everything super duper high quality. It's the only way it will render like that. That's the only way it will render. So what happens if we make it render to a different spot now? Okay, so it's just like, so let's say double pos target x equals What did I do here? Device pods, router pods. Let's say I want to draw it to hit this thing. What's that position? 169, 67. $67, $244. Then I'm pretty sure we do like take te.pos get x, because it gives us a relative position. I think like plus 0.5 to draw it to the center of the block. Whoa. Maybe let's not rotate it for now. Okay, it's definitely drawing it to the correct spot. What are you making? I'm making lasers. Maybe as well we can go GL state manager, enable or disable cull. Enable cull, because what that does, it draws it on both sides. All right. I mean, this is not really the best way to do it, but so I got my workspace set up for the mods. How would I set it up to launch them in debug for Minecraft? This is my first mod, so I don't know how to do that. Please help. You mean like running in debug mode? Yeah, that. There's simply a bug button. There's simply a bug button. You can't see it, but like, hold up. Right there. Right there. Because what we might do instead of like rotating it, like honestly not my favorite way to do it, but that work? Can't see. Oh my god, that okay, that was weird. I just said I can't see, and then literally the song said I can't see. What are the chances of that happening? What are the chances?
Told you to walk away. That was my first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face. But what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back.
Okay, it's that axis. Two lasers. Two lasers is better than one. Do like geo damage that push. This is just like, this is not like technically correct. I'm just doing this for like just you know, testing it out. So this one needs to go up 0.5, probably costs 2.5. Yeah. Oh, that actually works. Oh wow. do you guys think about that? That actually works. I mean, it's not like perfect, but no one's gonna really care that much. Like, that looks legit right there. Dude, do not get in front of that laser right there. That will literally take your head off. Zoom. Zoom. It's gonna be legit. They need to prep the new download link. It's not ready. Literally, this won't work at all. Like, we need to change the position of the laser depending on the state. So just something similar to that. Get start, and then we need to do like a get line end position. Block laser. Alright, there we go. And then we change it around. Is doesn't equal to -1, else like 12 in. I think that's right. Else if whoa, what's that? Let's just say line y equals 0.75f. There we go. So that should get us our start position. So that's what we're going to use. Vec, what did I use? Vec 3D. Start. And get start position. Don't know. Do Do a vid of you just shooting villagers or NPCs in a city map using a gun mod and call it Grand Theft Cray. Maybe. I do have like a city mod, so maybe I can... I mean a city map, so maybe I can do some sort of Grand Theft Auto type thing. Let's see. Say sauce X. I got the sauce. No ketchup. Just sauce. Raw sauce. Hehehehe. Dead meme. Hashtag dead meme. Oops. Alright, let's fix that up. So we can get the sauce. No ketchup. Pro gamer, what's up? Raw sauce. Can I get the raw sauce to this application, please? The raw sauce. None of this obfuscated. None of this obfuscated piece of poop. Alright, let's restart the game. Alright, see if this works. Who's got hopes for me? Who's got hopes? Who's a believer? You know, it'd be sick if, like, literally the Minecraft window, like, filled this area here. Like, if it filled like that. That wouldn't be half bad if you ask me. If it filled that. Who's a believer? One worked and one didn't. I think it's because need to get rid of that. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, I don't think that was right. Hold up. I think it's gonna be... Yeah, that's right. That's right. Alright. Yeah, yeah. Okay, there we go. We got that sorted. Won't worry about that one yet. So this one... Oh, we just need to add source to this. Add the source. Whoops. Trying to figure out what's wrong. We might need to flip around. One of these, potentially the Z and the Y. Nope. The Z and the X. Or, hold up, I think we need to like geostate translate. I can't do this though, technically. We need to translate it to a center. So it'll be negative 0.25. Yeah, that'd be more correct. And then that means that we don't have to do this, but instead I take 0.25. There we go. So it's working correctly, kind of. I can put another one up. Put one over here too. Oh my god. Look at that. That's legit. That's legit, guys. Laser. I don't think this will work correctly if I put it upside down. Yeah, now we're gonna fix that up. We're gonna change how it renders when it, either if it's upside down. We're also gonna fix that issue up to make it not possible to like we're gonna make it not possible to actually do it like backwards. Let's put one over here too. Most secure house in Minecraft pretty much here. Do not walk into this right now. The game is laggy. What's up with this? I think I know why. We're gonna fix up how some of the rendering works because it switches the axis. Although it's annoying that that thing doesn't render completely. It should. I'll have to look into it. What the heck? Legit crazy right now. I think we're definitely going to need particle effects coming off this thing. What the heck is going on? We need to like, where is it? Blend. Hashtag overtime? Yeah, it's been overtime for a while, I think. Lasers. Alright, let's see if we can fix up this. So just gonna copy that. End position. Block shield. Alright, let's see what we do here. So we're gonna say, like this is not how legit I'm gonna do it. 169, 67, 244. Because obviously can't hard code a value, but get rid of that. Also end position. And then we say plus that. Huh. Just double check what this does. Show end in a single point, yes. Oopsie, we did start position. Should be end position. Okay, I did it wrong. Should be like 2. There we go. It's more like 1.5. I like so much developing games and mods that will have all the time errors. What? Laser reception. You need to disable depth test. Why do I need to disable depth? You know what that will do, you know? You know what that will do. Let's have a look. The thing is, it makes it render through things. See? There might be another option that we can change potentially. Disable. What's rescale normal? Yeah, whatever. I think it's disable. Disable color logic. Try using additive blending, that should work. How did you OpenGL? Ah. Yeah, it's probably something I'm doing wrong. GL. Source alpha. And then it should be, what is that? I'm pretty sure this is already is additive. 1. Or that's... Oh, what the heck? Whoa, dude, that's legit. What is this blend function? Oh. Let's just try the normal one. Yeah, the blending's weird. That's legit though. Zoom. 100%, but it doesn't blend the transparency. Yeah, I don't know what that is. OpenGL blend. How do I blend transparency? One minus source alpha. So 1 minus source alpha. Yeah, it didn't work. Because that's just the same as before. That looks legit though, like that. Like it blends it super well. It looks cool. It looks smoother. What was it? Geo1 minus destination alpha. Holy shit! Oh my god. Yeah, I think that looks good. That looks pretty good if you ask me. What do you guys think? I mean, that's pretty legit. Oh my god, Minecraft. Please stop doing this. I'm trying to display it awesomely and it doesn't. That's legit. Minus constant alpha. Oh. Oh no, it didn't work. It kind of works and it doesn't. Like it worked there apparently. Wait. Did you organize them from back to front, Cray? No, because I can't determine. I can't decide on the rendering order. I can't decide on the rendering order. Like, I think they're all like this way. I think the best one that worked was... I think that one worked well. I mean, it looks cool. It looks cool, I'm not gonna lie. It looks brighter. What we're gonna do, I think there's like, hold up, let me find it. Say disable light map. Oh my god, what the heck's that? Can you guys hear that? The heck? The heckin'? Never say heck. The heckin'. So if we actually go time set. Oh! Dang. Holy shoot. I can't tell if that's next door or mine. Definitely next door. Holy shoot. It's super loud. Don't they go to work? It's 1:30. Cool cops. Cray, I can make a crazy light show with that. Meow. So what are these? These are facing east. East is a x-axis. So Well, that doesn't matter, it's only this one. So we need to say... Oh no, oh yeah, it doesn't matter about that, it matters about this one. So we can say that source X. Rotate. Fix. Yeah, we need to fix up some things. Holy! Hey, what the heck? Haunted cops.
I can't wait for this mod to be released. I would definitely make a video on it.
Oh, I'm definitely going to be making a video on it too. Cheers for the support, dude. $2 donation there. Yeah, definitely gonna make like the most secure house, like legit. I'm gonna have this set up in my mansion, right? I'm gonna have this set up in my mansion. Nobody's gonna legit be able to get in. Nobody. That's how like legit it will be. Let's get Valley. Block laser dot facing get axis equals axis dot x. You can probably change this around. I think that's how it works. Let's have a look. Yeah, there we go. So that cleaned that up. Maybe we keep it like that. The thing is, like, I want to make it so lasers can only be placed in certain positions. Like, they have to be, like, visible to the actual... They have to be visible to the actual shield. Like, this is gonna be some Mission Impossible type stuff. Getting through these lasers, to be honest. Some Mission Impossible type stuff. Holy shoot. Yeah, no, I'm going to be doing ray tracing. Ray tracing when we place it down, and then also ray tracing to detect if a player is in the view or inside of the laser. Pretty cool. Pretty easy way to do it. Did you disable cull because it looks kind of odd? Yes, I did. Because the problem is that if I don't, then only one side of it will render. I'm not actually rotating it. I know there's a slight graphics glitches, but no one's gonna really care. It's because of that additive blending that we can't do. That's why. If we had the additive blending, then it would look perfect. Like, you can't even, yeah. But let's just say you probably wouldn't have like multiple lasers connecting to a single shield. Yeah, unfortunately you can't disable the depth. Is it the first stream that is like for 3 hours? No, I've had tons of live streams longer, like 3 hours before, dude. I want to make it so you can only place lasers in the opposite direction of the shield. So let's say you place the shield here, right? Let's say you place the shield here, right? Oh my god. So, like, let's say you place the shield here, the only, like, and you connect this laser up to that, right? The only possible direction you can place it is facing opposite it. So you won't be able to place it upside down. You won't be able to place it up. You can only place it in the opposite direction of that shield. You just... Oh, hold up. I got a call from somebody, I'll have to get back to that. We can't because MC's raining. That's what is the lag I has? That's probably you. This is 60 FPS, so some of you guys might be lagging. Hold up. Sorry about that. Just had to take a call there real quickly. Yeah, no, you couldn't hear me because I was talking to somebody. I didn't want you to hear what I was saying, so. Just because it could have been like personal information or anything like. I mean, I didn't want you to hear it anyway, even if it was any sort of call. Alright, so we fixed that up. So, pretty much the next stage. I mean, we still got to fix up this, but it's not too much of a problem. I think that will just be, let's say here. So get horizontal index doesn't equal to -1. Do this. Stop stalling in the dark. Else. We need to fix up this 2 here. So this one will go on the X, and then this one, whatever, will go on the Z. From what I tried. Did that work? Yeah, it did. Okay, cool. Let's see what happens. Let's do it like... Ooh. Oh god, okay. That's because we hard-coded this position here, and then that just returned null. Or the wrong state, sorry. Just returned the wrong state, so we're gonna fix that up. But what we want to do is actually bind this to like position. So as you can see, we got this shield position type thing. We want to actually have that, you know, get shield position. We want to be able to do this instead. And then we can also say, first of all, we could do like ft.get shield position equals null return. Just to stop the rendering completely, because if there's no shield, then why render it? Or just have it like blast out infinitely. Blast out infinitely. Nah, it needs a shield, otherwise it would, you know, burn down your house or something. If you can render those lasers before the world, you can disable depth. That's true. It might be possible to do it, but I don't know. Is there like any method in the tile entity renderer that predicts the get? Whoopsie, sorry. Nope. Yeah, I don't know. The thing is, if we render it before the weld, then we might have some issues with water. We'll have to see. I don't know. Shield state. Alright, there we go. We need to fix up this as well. And it's gonna be like, and then this is to be that. We also might clean up this other code as well. So I think this is like 4. Alright. Yeah, we still gotta figure out, we gotta do like some binding with the actual laser, so when it's placed down, we need to actually, so on block placed, I think it's this one we want to do because we get access to the item stack. Has that got anything to do? Nope. Okay. Because we'll need to override the player's model. We also need to create a custom item as well. So many things to do. So many things. And then we've still got to even create the application. We've still got to create the application too, so I want to make it good though. Most things in Minecraft don't work properly when adding water to the mix. Water is hacky. Unblock placed by. I think I'm going to have to end off the live stream though today, guys. It's pretty late now. It's pretty much hashtag overtime live stream, but you know, we've got a ton of progress done, if I must say. Like, we can look at it right now. Oh no, we can't. No, we can't. Oh no, we could potentially hack it. Hold up. Let's create like a hacked version. Watch this, alright? I'll create a hacked version. Hacked. Whoa, and there goes that. There goes my chat. There goes everything. Because this won't render anymore, but we can actually use block data and manually set the position. Someone remember the coordinates in a second here. Someone remember the coordinates. Okay. Let's go times 1,000. So let's pretend there's lasers between the tree here. Oh, we still got to fix that issue up, but that won't be too difficult to fix. So what we need to do is remember the coordinates here. 174, 65. I put it in the chat. 65, 55. Yep, and then we can do like block data, shield pose. Oh. No, I can't do this because we don't know the long version of it. Hold up, we can figure it out. Um, 174. Here's 225. Yeah. Oopsie, we're not rendering, we're not printing that. Alright, there we go. Let's just make sure. We should be able to quit and potentially reload here. Okay. Is it actually rendering it? Block data. Oh, whoopsie, hold up. I know what we did wrong. We gotta specify that it's L. There we go. Huh. Why is that translation wrong? Why is that translation wrong? That's like 0.25. Here, I think. Holy shoot. That is insane. Too much coding for my eyes. Cheese hype. Late cheese hype. I'm really late, sorry. Elite Fire Gaming coming like last minute here. This is crazy. Slice your head off. Zing, zing. Laser.
Now which way do we go is the question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we
That's pretty cool.
what is throwing up our beds? Trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer hold on to what only makes us hurt. We cannot
But yeah, we still need to create a item for it. So how I'm deciding to link up things is probably like right click the shield here, and then you can place it down somewhere. What happens if we do this? It's weird, it works that way, and then probably breaks this way. Oh wow, Z fighting. There's literally Z fighting on the alpha. That is beautiful. Direct all. These trees are fighting right now, guys. These trees are literally fighting. He's like, I'm gonna attack you. He's like, nah, I got a shield over here. I got a little laser shield over here. This is legit right now. Holy shoot. That's insane. I like that. We need to do like if I gotta fix up something here. We need to move this. Sorry. We need to move like all this from there to like here. Because if we return halfway through, then it's going to have some issues. Because it shouldn't break. We place that back now. Yeah, there we go. Here you can see a battle between Birch and the Oak. There's an intense battle right now. Holy shoot. I want to make these like animated in a way, but it doesn't matter too much right now. I mean, it looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Imagine if you had a mirror. Laser pointer mod. This is what the pointing mod should have been. Laser pointer. Pretty cool. Zoom, zoom. Mirrors from your furniture much reflect lasers. It's a little bit difficult. I actually like the Z fighting better than not just rendering, to be honest. Yeah, for some reason it works. So the next steps to this mod is to make it so we can link it up. So I can link it up, and we need to be able to restrict the placement, and then we also need to do, you know, checking for the player. So there's still a little bit to go. I probably won't have a video. I probably won't have a video tonight on the laser mod. I might do the laser mod video tomorrow because I want to do a video on my main channel because it's going to be dope as heck. It's going to be dope as heck. It's going to be heckin' dope. That's what they call it now. Heckin' dope. A heckin' dope video. So, what should we do with it, guys? Should we create like... we should set up our mansion to be like super duper secure. Like lasers literally everywhere. Lasers literally everywhere. That would honestly be crazy. What is the point of the mod? It's like a, you know, you could set it up in your base type thing. You could set up lasers to surround like a room or something like that. It's like a security mod. Put them in the bank. That's not a bad idea. Holy shoot. We should do that. It's kind of like, what are they called in Star Wars? The tripping lasers or whatever they're called. I forgot what they're called. What's that thing called in Star Wars? Where they put the explosion thing on the wall, then a laser thing comes across. I know what you mean. Forgot what that thing's called. I don't remember. Everybody knows what it is, but they don't know what it is. We know what it is. I've forgotten I played Star Wars Battlefront 2 today. It's called Trip Mine. It's a trip mine. I googled it. I googled it before you haunted corpse. I'm in the laser. Alright, so I think that's gonna end off this live stream today, my dudes. Thanks for coming along. Yeah, we still gotta create the application for the laptop. Still gotta create the application for the laptop, so that would be all good. Have to figure out how I want to do it. I might make it like toggle buttons. Toggle buttons might be a cool idea to do. And then yeah, they need to connect to the routers. Pretty sure they already can right now if we actually get a router out. You pop that there. And then you get an Ethernet. See, it actually kind of connects. It's because this rendering thing doesn't work exactly correct, but I'm gonna fix that up so it's more universal. What I might do is like render a box around this and then have that connect to another box. In the light mod, does the slider set the light level for the lights? Yes. That's how that works. So you can dim them. But thank you guys for coming along. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right now. Yeah, video should be coming out tomorrow about this mod. I'm going to go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts. Go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts. Trying to find it. There's a lot of quotes as well, which is kind of annoying. We're gonna shout out to John Barris. Shout out to Austin Kelly. And let's go ahead and let's check out who the rest of the people are here. Shout out to Brandon Austin, Master Chief, Red V Byte, I think, Austin TV, Plasmos Phoenix, Alpha Think, Donovan Wood, Tyler756, and Tweets. Thank you guys so much for the support there over on Twitter. Appreciate it a lot. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today. Snap that like button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow where we continue. I don't know, I'm not sure what we're gonna do tomorrow. Might do not device mod, maybe vehicle mod or gun mod, one of those two. But thanks for coming along. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Peace.